In this video, I'm going to show you how to divide two columns in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table, which I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to divide the sales column by the month column. To do this, select a cell. Type equals, select the first cell, add a slash sign. Select the second cell and press Enter on your keyboard. You can see that the first two cells are divided. Now select the answer. Bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the answer cell. When the plus icon becomes smaller and bolder than before, double-click on it. You can see that the numbers in the whole column are now divided. If you don't want values after the decimal point, select the answer column. In the menu bar, click on this icon. Depending on the numbers in your answer, it may take a couple of clicks to remove the decimal points. Now all of the answers are without decimal points.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.